Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce a hot new model, the ACEMAGIC 16.0-inch Laptop 2025, a large-screen laptop with a sleek design, powerful performance, and an amazing price. Key specifications: 16-inch Full HD 1920p display with thin bezels, delivering sharp, vibrant colors for an outstanding experience in studying, working, or entertainment. Equipped with the 12th Gen Intel quad-core processor, with turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz, smoothly handles office tasks, online learning, light design work, and casual gaming. 16GB DDR4 RAM for seamless multitasking without lag, even with multiple apps running. 512GB high-speed SSD for ultra-fast booting into Windows 11 and quick data access. Highlights of the ACEMAGIC 16.0-inch laptop. Premium metal shell design, stylish, sturdy, and durable with excellent build quality. Pre-installed Windows 11 genuine license, modern interface, easy to use, and secure. Versatile connectivity, USB 3. 2 ports, modern Type-C port, and Wi-Fi 5 for fast, stable internet. Spacious keyboard and large touchpad for a comfortable typing experience. Good battery life, perfect for working or studying all day long. This is a brand new, sealed ACEMAGIC genuine product, with reliable warranty. It's the perfect choice for those looking for a 16-inch large-screen laptop with powerful specs at an affordable price, ideal for office work, studying, or entertainment. Priced from just 12 million VND, an incredible deal for a 16-inch metal laptop with 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and a 12th Gen Intel processor. We offer nationwide COD shipping, receive and check the laptop before paying. We guarantee genuine products and provide enthusiastic technical support. If you're interested in the ACEMAGIC 16-inch Laptop 2025 with 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 11, please message us now or call the hotline below. Limited stock available, grab yours before it's gone. Reference link below description, thank you.